We are live in Durban, in KwaZulu-Natal. We are here to say it's possible because it's doable. We are hosting the Finding Work and Business Opportunities as a young unemployed person seminar tour. I have great speakers that are going to speak about great things, issues of branding, issues of dealing with rejection, issues of starting and running a business.
Thina singabantu bama-family gatherings, imishado, siyahlangana imingcwabo nani. Igama elikhulu usuwenzani? Wenzani empilweni? Izinto lezi esihlangana nazo ezingazinhle, imibuzo mhlawumbe emimbi okufuneka ngazi senze kanjani sifundisana ukuthi lo mbuzo uma ngempela u-aware of what is happening in our country, in this continent of Africa, globally, lo mbuzo awukwazi ukuwubuza. Uthola ukuthi ubuzwa umuntu vele yena ophumelele empilweni, a family member.
I want you to portray the impact that you have made, the achievement that you have made lapho. Just answering calls. I answered calls. I will change that to I improved customer experience. I have improved. I want someone who can improve my company.
From a recruitment perspective, is quite simple. You find work through positioning yourself in the right space. By practice, by mannerisms, by how you're dealing with people, all of that is what places you in the right light.
Your current situation that you're in right now is not a permanent definition of who you are. So you may be unemployed today, but that doesn't mean that you remain there. I need you to keep preparing for the opportunity that you have prayed for.
Ukudayisa could take you from nothing to something. It depends how you treat your business. Because ekugcineni kosuku, if uzovuka ekseni uthi hayi namhlanje angipost, kusasa upost, ngalela langa uyapost, ngalela langa upost, i-consistency sizokwazi ngani.
Ask for feedback. Mawuthola no, uyafollow up, ngibhede kuphi, nginga-improve kuphi, ubani ongangisiza, ngicela nikukhumbule. Ekunye update i-CV yakho. Ngisho ngabe kuthiwa use-university akusho ukuthi uzothi anginayo experience, angithwe nesontweni, ashe esontweni, ukhona ukwenza emphakathini, uyini, uku-debating club, udlala i-netball, ucoach, bhala, kona lokho ama-skills ayadingeka. For entry-level jobs, they don't ushilo uDr. Gamete aba-expect ukuthi kuzoba ne-CV o-13 pages. But umuntu o-active mina ngiyamchuza kunomuntu one-CV ye-plain.
Imali whether uthola ebhizinisini or uthola emsebenzini, if wenza konke nje asas,
You must always ask yourself why you started.
I see.
Why you started. Yeah, but once you answer that, ayikho into ngeke uzuyinqobe no matter how difficult it is.
If you're a one-man show, then you ufuna ukwenza yonke into. Because you want to feel important in your business. When I to nama idea, when I to nama solutions, when I to wazi bonke abanye abazi uzobacindezele, then you won't make it, you won't succeed. So if you spend a lot of time investing, building your people, it is your people who will end up building your business.
And we learned quite a lot, especially as a young professional myself. Also aspiring to go into business. There's quite a few gems of knowledge that I was able to grasp. And as young people, there are things that we take for granted. I think that was the biggest lesson. That in every single thing that you're doing, you need to be intentional.
When I came here today, I wanted to focus on the business aspect of the seminar, of which the practical knowledge that one gained from the panelists I so wish I can take this seminar back to Richards Bay, to these deep rural areas of Northern KwaZulu-Natal. But
it was quite educational since students matric ngifunde about the skills, adaptation, emsebenzini, CVs, when you're writing your CV to highlight mostly on your experience.
So kwabanye bethu we're waiting for answers before we move.
Yeah.
And it is in movement where the answers will come.
I want you guys to believe ukuthi it's possible because it's doable. I don't want this to be a group project. Your life, your career, your future is not a group project.